Hi, I'm Sharky,
And I'm Zoomy.
and we're going to show you some of the amazing new features found in Fusion Suite 2021.
Let's get started.
Voice Assistant. The new Voice Assistant feature is an exciting new way to interact with JAWS, ZoomText, and Fusion in Windows 10 using your own voice. It's smart, so you can say phrases similar to the usual commands and still get your desired results. Listen closely. I'm going to launch the JAWS Settings Center right now. Sharky, change settings.
Windows OS-JAWS Settings Center dialog.
And there's the JAWS Settings Center. You can also say Settings Center, and JAWS 2021 is smart enough to understand what you want to do. Natural voice commands are an easy way to interact with JAWS or ZoomText. To start speaking commands, you can say a wake-up word that tells the software to start listening for voice commands, similar to using Alexa or Google Home. This is what I did earlier. The wake-up word is Sharky for JAWS.
And Zoomy for ZoomText and Fusion.
Speak this word followed by a specific JAWS or ZoomText command, such as Sharky, list links.
Or Zoomy, increase zoom level. This method is not available if you're using a Bluetooth microphone. In this case, use the keyboard. The keyboard command to start using voice commands in JAWS is Insert plus Alt plus Spacebar. For ZoomText and Fusion, use Caps Lock plus Alt plus Spacebar.
From the JAWS main window, press Alt-U to open the Utilities menu, expand the Voice Assistant submenu, and then select Talk to JAWS.
From the ZoomText or Fusion main window, select Talk to ZoomText or Talk to Fusion. If the voice assistant does not hear you, it will say,
Sorry, I didn't hear anything.
and if the voice assistant does not understand you, you'll hear,
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
You can deactivate the voice assistant or change options like whether to use a wake word. For JAWS, open the JAWS Utilities menu, expand the Voice Assistant submenu, and then select Settings.
For ZoomText or Fusion, select the Tools tab and click the Voice Assistant button to toggle Voice Assistant on or off. If you'd like to change settings, press the down arrow on the Voice Assistant drop-down button and select Settings. To learn more and to view a full list of voice commands for specific actions, say Sharky, Help, or Zoomy, Help. You can also select Getting Started from the Voice Assistant menu or button. Here are a few commands you can use to get started.
For JAWS, you can say, Sharky, talk faster. Sharky, what time is it? Sharky, list links.
For ZoomText or Fusion, say Zoomy, zoom out. Zoomy, where is focus? Zoomy, set zoom level to 5.
By learning these powerful new features, you'll get the maximum benefit out of using Fusion Suite 2021.
I agree. And if you ever need a refresher on the new features found in Fusion Suite 2021, remember to visit freedomscientific.com/training for resources.
Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and listen to our podcast, Freedom Scientific Training, available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more.
Thanks for watching.